everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm doing is the weekly challenge, and we have named our group. It is called Painting in Harmony, and we also created a Facebook page under that name as well. And right now the people that are doing the challenges is Cari from Cari's Chaotic Creations, and Tammy from Tammy Time, and Bridgette from Bridgette's Creations, and Brittany. So I'm gonna go ahead. The challenge this week is a waterfall pour, waterfall rain pour. And let me go over the paints I'm using. First, I covered the bottom with just regular black semi-gloss. It's mixed with no silicone. It just has Floetrol and water. That's what's on the base. And inside the cup, right here, which I've already put it in there, I have layered Master's Touch Permanent Black. And these all here have Floetrol, glue all, and water. The Folk Art Copper, Folk Art Solid Bronze, Liquitex Basics Bronze Yellow, and then I also had in my cup that I wanted to use up, it is a bronze color from Master's Touch. Here it is right here. I have that mixed up in my cup already. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Just going to tip this up a little bit, hoping you still can see it. And I'm going to start the ring pour. Rainbow. I'm sure I will have some more paint left over. I think that might be enough, because I do want some negative space. So I'm going to torch that. I'm going to give it a torch. Get my hands wiped off a little bit. Looks like we got some cells going on in there. Okay, let's see. I don't want to do it too much, just a little bit. There we go. Just trying to pop those bubbles. Alright. Set this aside for now. And let's go ahead and spread it out a little bit. Okay. Sorry that you're not going to see it, part of it while I'm spreading it. I'm trying to do it low enough so you can see some of it. Looks like I have too much black in there. Let's see what we end up with over here. This way. There we go. Coming off the side. And right over here. Go this way, and then I'm going to bring it back a little bit, I think. I am going to go over the edge. Let's do that. See what it looks like. I like that. And I'm liking it, even though it's got a lot of black in it. It's quite pretty. I am leaving a little bit of black on the edges. I think that's actually quite cool to look. That looks neat that way. So, there we have it. I'm going to do one more torch. I know what I'm going to have to do. Whoops, don't mess it up, Jeannie. I know I'm going to have to straighten up these edges with a little black, because I'd like to have some of that black on the edges. I don't know, part of me wants to tip it. Let's tip it. Tip it a little bit more. There you go. Sometimes you have to tap it to get it to go down. There you go. Oops, there goes my... I had tape on the back, and also push pins. However, one of the push pins came out. And wish it was just a little bit more color in there. But I'm still happy with it. I think it's neat looking. Really, I really do. It's really cool looking, actually. Just trying to bring it down to that corner. Come on. Yeah, bring it down. Where's my push pin? There it is. I think it's gonna go down there. Okay. That should do it. There we go. Alright. So, not sure what happened to my push pin. Let me see if I can set something under there to prop it up so we don't get it too... Alright, let me take these gloves off because I need to torch it one more time. And I am so messy. Ugh. Let's see. I like it though. It's really pretty. It's just not quite colorful. Alright, so here we go. Last torch. Then I'll try to do a quick close-up. There we go. Rid of these bubbles. Got a lot of cells. It's really interesting colors. Alrighty. That's good enough. Alright, let me see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this down up there. So I think what I'm going to do, I see a spot right here. It's got some... No, not good. Color coming through. A white canvas coming through. There we go. It should be alright. So what I'll do is I'll put pictures in the beginning of the video and the end of the video so you can see it up close. I'll take some wet and some dry. And thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like and hit that little thumbs up and smash that bell so you can get notified of additional videos I put up. And share the video. I only need a couple more subscribers to hit the 250 mark. I'm going to do a giveaway, and then in about a week we're doing another giveaway for June. So thank you for joining me. Everybody have a great day. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.